So I got my Bun Barz and I got my Ponyo XL. And if you want to see how that works on super duper long hair, stay tuned. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. My name's Christina for those of you that are new, and for those of you who stop by all the time, hi again. Thanks for supporting your girl. Today I'm actually bringing you a product review, so feel free to go ahead and subscribe now because you're going to want to see more of these, and make sure that you ding the bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video. That being said, let's get into it. So I did a video a while back about Ponyo. I bought the Ponyo ponytail holders because I wanted a poof, and I still use those, by the way. But there was someone who actually posted in the comments and asked me if I had ever used the Bun Barz, and I had not. And since she asked, I decided to go ahead and buy one because I wanted to see how it worked. And since she was curious how it would work on all of my hair, I thought that maybe there are more of you out there that have the same kind of hair issues, I want to say, but it's not really issues, just have a lot of hair and want to know if these things are really going to work as well as they do on those adorable little commercials with the little blonde, which I don't know if she's the owner or not, but honestly, I could sit there on Instagram and just watch her little ad things over and over again because she's adorable. She makes it look fun. She makes it like, you know, this, you want this. So I bought it. So it works. Good job, Ponyo. So now what I did was, because I bought the original Ponyo way back when, and although it worked, I have a lot of hair and my hair is naturally curly. So I was going to need the extra large, which they were actually working on. They hadn't come out with yet. So I ended up buying the smaller Ponyo, which is kind of to do like, it's for thinner hair and if you want to do like half up, half down. So what I did was I bought the Ponyo Bun Barz with a pack of Ponyos. So they came in this cute little bag, and I got 3 different colors. Got the leopard because, and I got the camel because I have been just filling my closet with olive and hunter green colors and camel print, which I'm just very into lately. And I bought a white. There you have it. So those are the 3. Now this comes just like with the other video, and if you haven't watched it, I will link it above so you can watch that one. So this, just like the other pamphlet that I got, does give you the instructions on how to put in your Ponyo, how to bend it so that it stays. It gives you the same for the 2.0, which I do have somewhere around here. I'll do another video on that. And then it gives you the Bun Barz. And I have yet to purchase the bling rings, which is actually a really cute idea because you can wear something that just looks silicone rubbery, but you can put a little bit of bling over the top and kind of dress it up for whatever occasion or just for fun. So that being said, I want to use this Bun Barz and show you how it looks. So the first thing it says to do is to use your Ponyo to secure your pony at your desired height. But I'm just going to use the new one here. So I'm going to open this up. If you haven't seen my other video, you can obviously click and watch it, but I want to show you that this has little nubbies here. And it's a silicone material, and it's like it helps to grip your hair so that it doesn't just slide right out, which is part of the magic of these little things. I really do love it. All right, so I'm trying to make it an O, and good, you're never going to get it to look like an actual circle. It's just, you know, silicone, it comes flat. So here we go. Ready? Let's see. Here. So I have a lot of hair. I'm going to see if I can show you without ripping my microphone out. Okay, so we're going to see if this works. Ready? I mean, I'm sure it works, but I'm going to see just how easy it works. All right, so without a comb, it's a little bit harder. So I'm gonna take, and I do have a lot more room in this one, and I'm going to pull my hair through while holding it with the other hand. Is it all the way through? Okay, it's all the way through, goodness gracious. All right, now I'm going to flatten it out. And as the instructions say, I'm going to fold this side back over my thumb, and I'm going to fold the other side back using my thumb. Okay. So now for those of you that aren't too clear on what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you. Once you have it flat in your hair, okay, pay no attention to the flyaways. I told you that my hair is naturally curly and it's fighting the straight hair version of itself. So once you have it like this, okay, you're going to bend one side and bend the other side. So once it's in your hair, you bend it, okay, and then you take the other side and you do the same thing. So now you have this, and that's actually what's sitting on your head like this. It's sitting up there, and these pieces are holding your ponytail off of your head, okay? So that's how it holds it up, and because you can mold it, that's why your ponytail stays kind of up instead of falling like it would with a hair tie. Make sense? Okay, now tighten that up, okay? So it's not going anywhere, you can see. Okay, it's in there, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Bun Barz. Now this I haven't used before, so I have to read the instructions. So it says, using your, okay, do that. Center your hair in the Bun Barz, hold the ends in each hand, roll the Bun Barz down, so she's rolling forward, towards your face until it's close to your head. Make sure to get at least 2 complete rolls. Well, there's no problem there. Bend the ends back around your ponyo until they overlap. Slide your hair over the Bun Barz to cover it and squash the Bun Barz with both hands. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what this looks like. Now, obviously her hair is not as long as mine, but I want you to be able to see what she's saying. So I added the ponytail holder there, okay? She starts at the end and she rolls it down and she keeps rolling. She's rolling towards, like, out. And then she says to wrap it around and pull your hair. So, or pull your hair forward, no, just pull your hair. So this opens like this. So it's kind of wobbly, right? And it opens like that. It's sealed together here. How? I don't know, magic. So I'm gonna take my hair, and I have to actually bring it forward so that you can see. And I have layers in my hair, so this is gonna probably be a little bit different. It's gonna look way more like a messy bun than, you know, if that's not what you're looking for. See, already my pieces are falling, but we're gonna see how this works. I mean, plenty of people out there have layered hair, right? This is tricky. All right, so I'm just gonna start rolling. Okay. So all of this is left out. I don't think this is supposed to happen, but whatever, that's what happened, right? You're seeing it live, people, you're seeing it live. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of hair, so I don't really have that much to bend backwards, but I'm gonna do what she said. All right, going around the back of my hair. And I don't know what you see, so, because I literally have not used this before. So that's what it looks like in the back. And then she says to move your hair around it so that it covers the bun. Covering the bun? I'm gonna say this. All right. So then I'm gonna take my extra pieces and I'm gonna wrap them around. And then you squish it, which is what she was doing. And you pull like you would do with any messy bun. You know how you don't just leave it taut on your head? I still have this extra layer piece here, which I'm gonna just wrap around again. And I guess it just takes some playing with it, but guess what? Y'all, it really did pull my hair up. So it's not as poofy as above a bun as I would normally wear. You know, like it would be poofier if I just grabbed my hair and wrapped my hair tie around it and left it sticking up in the air. But this is a nice alternative. I don't know what the back of my hair looks like, but I'm gonna show you again anyway, so you can see. And because I chose a darker color, even if the rubber itself is showing, you probably won't see it because my hair is so dark, but that's what it looks like. And it's not going anywhere. I haven't added any bobby pins, even to the layers that were falling out. I haven't added any bobby pins, haven't done anything. You saw me from the beginning to this now, and it's there. It's not going anywhere. And I guess I can just play with it and see, you know, where I can take it. But for now, this works. So there you have it. Well, here's my thoughts on this, and it's just my opinion here. I do like the larger ponios themselves, the XLs. I think they do hold my hair a little bit better than the original ones. I think that's a good investment. I think it's good because it's like it does away. This one I can tell you that it does away with my need for a hair tie. In my previous video, as you saw, I did add the hair tie because I felt like it felt a lot tighter, which is what I was looking for. It wasn't necessary, it's just kind of a preference. With these, I actually feel it in my hair, you know, really tight, and it's not going anywhere. So I'm confident in the XLs. More so than I was in the original, if that makes sense. And even if it doesn't make sense, I mean, that's my opinion. So Bun Barz, I want to say on the other hand, but it's not that they don't work, and it's not that they don't do the job that they say they do. But my hair is down to my belt. So it's, you know, I'm kind of like the exception to the rule. A lot of people have long hair that might go like past their bra or whatever, and that's great. But mine is excessively long, and it's also layered. So it's kind of like a double challenge. If Ponyo decided that they wanted to, you know, make a couple more that kind of catered to people with extraordinarily long hair, then I think you need to add a couple more inches to this already long Bun Barz so that in fact you can wrap it and it stays. Because right now the two flaps on the end of the Bun Barz, I can feel them now, they're open. They're not staying closed, and they're not staying tucked underneath. You know, in the photo it shows you to kind of fold them over like that so that they overlap each other, and then just kind of squish it, and my hair is not allowing for it to be completely closed. So you know, my layers are coming out. So if you have something, I mean, if you have an idea other than having to use bobby pins, because what I'm trying to do here in this video is just use the product that I ordered to show you how it works. So again, really, really good. I do really like it. I think it's gonna work really well with everybody's hair, quite frankly. I mean, aside from a pixie cut, right? So yeah, those are my thoughts. I think it's good. I think it's worth it. I think if your hair is not excessively long like mine, then you can definitely use the Bun Barz. You can definitely use the XLs, excuse me. And I'm actually going to see if I can do another video using the XLs but leaving my hair curly, because that is also a real challenge for most hair tools that I use. So this is the XL Ponyo holding all of my hair. What a champ. I don't even hear any screaming coming from this thing. So as you can see, not going anywhere. And how cute is that leopard print? I mean, come on. It's super, super high, which is how I like to wear my ponies. And I got some flyaways there. but it is holding my hair. I got a little frizz. No judging, no judging. Here you have the 2.0 holding my hair in a half up, half down. I love it. Half up bun. It's growing on me. And after all that experimenting, look at the body that's in my hair right now. I mean, forget the dry shampoo, for crying out loud. So that's it. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. Please make sure that you hit subscribe and you ding the bell before you take off. Please hit the like button, as it really does help my channel grow. And leave me a comment below and let me know if you've purchased a Ponyo, which one you've purchased, how it worked for you, and maybe some tricks if you have any ideas, for layered hair, aside from using bobby pins, which I'm not opposed to doing. I just didn't in this video because it was about the Ponyo and not Goody or another brand. And I would really appreciate it because I want to try it.